In this video, we're going to program the eMMC of an Icicle Kit with an HSS payload. To program the eMMC of the Icicle Kit using the HSS, connect a micro USB cable to J11 and a second micro USB cable to J16. Open a serial emulator and connect to UART0 and UART1, then power on the board. When the HSS starts up, interrupt its boot by pressing any key, and then enter USB DMSC and hit Enter. Once the service starts up, open up Win32 Disk Imager if you're running on Windows, and browse to the location of the image to be programmed. Select it and click Open. Select your target device. This is the mass storage device detected by your PC when you start the USB service on the HSS. Click Write to program the image. Once the image has been written, unmount your device and return to UART0 and press Escape. Then enter Boot to load the image. If you're running Linux, you can complete these steps using a DD command.